Добрый день, мои дорогие! Сегодня я презентую вам книгу Branches with Basilisk.
I am a proud participant of a wonderful team called Mimbos Mimletonia. We go to Harry Potter themed quizzes. And we decided to do a costume party. I almost immediately choose the character of Gilderoy Lockhart because this is the character I can really identify with. I'm not doing cosplay. This is my own interpretation of this character's visuals. Initially, I wanted to sew a robe using this dress. I have even printed the patterns. And I have even found some grid paper. But then I realized that in the absence of a sewing machine, it will be literally double toil and trouble. So I will do something easy using these beautiful hands.
And the lace from this dress I'm going to cut out and attach it to the hem of this dress to make the transition smooth. Let's see how it will go. Ready! Somehow it fits perfectly. At the moment, I have no idea what I'm going to do. I want to use these hair extensions. Also this hair color. And probably some glittering stickers. Let's see how it will go. A lot of volume. Hair coloring. Ta-da! The hair is ready. Time for makeup. We'll also add some glitter. This will be the base shadow. Ваше сиятельство. This will be like an eyeliner. So shiny. Almost ready. And this purple mascara will be the cherry on top. No, blueberry on top. And for lips, I will mix this sparkling red and this lip balm. Perfect. It's perfect. Highlighter I will also